Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to change a wiper blade. Why such a small task, you ask? Wiper blades are getting more and more complicated, and just want to show how this particular Michelin goes in compared to the standard ones. As you can see, pull it up. Very simply, you squeeze this tab down here where my finger is, squeeze, and simultaneously pull it down, and off it comes. There is always this nice curve here that it goes into this hook, just like that. That is the standard placement. And now let's see how Michelin does it. So how do you know what size to buy? It's pretty simple. You can look up in a book, you can Google search it, or just quickly measure and see. It's exactly 26 inches. So we're gonna get a replacement that is 26 inches. So pick up 26-inch Michelin. Couple of cool things. Comes with some rubber protector, unnecessary plastic usage, but you can throw that off. There's also a plastic here. Do not pull this off and click it. If you click it, it's going to be hard to open this back again. So we're going to take this off gently, but don't close the mouth. Leave it open, and inside you can see that is what you saw on the other regular blades. So this is what we're going to match with these hooks. Okay, we take this side and try to put it in there. So the way we do it is first goes perpendicularly and make a slight turn, and it should seat right in, right there. So it sits right in, and once it sits in, now you open that up, you can see the hook clearly sitting in place. Now pull the wiper blade up till you hear that click. So now it's seated properly. All you have to do is close this lid and another click. There you go. The wiper blades are ready to go. Just check for any imperfections on the blade. If there isn't any, put it back up, you are good to go. And that's how you do a Michelin wiper blade. A little bit annoying and a little bit complicated, but it is an excellent blade. Lasts more than a couple of years if you don't abuse it. So if you want to buy this, I'll put a link in the description. See you in the next video.